Lamborghini North Los Angeles proudly presents this 2015 Lamborghini Huracan LP 610-4. Equipped with a 5.2-liter, 610 horsepower V10 engine and a 7-speed LDF dual-clutch transmission with all-wheel drive. This car is finished in a gorgeous Blue Achelous metallic exterior color and Nero Ade full leather interior with red contrast stitching. This Huracan comes well optioned, including navigation, carbon ceramic brakes with red calipers, transparent engine bonnet, forged composites engine bay, sport exhaust with black finishers, rear view camera with parking sensors, lift system, GIANO 20-inch silver rims, multifunction steering wheel, dynamic power steering, contrast stitching, electric and heated seats, branding package, and much more.